कैटल स्मगलिंग का जो केस है वो जो कैच करते हैं वो बीएसएफ और पुलिस के द्वारा इनको अरेस्ट किया जाता है और सीज किया जाता है जितना भी कैटल है। तो अभी तक जो ध्यान फाउंडेशन है उनके पास 832 कैटल देवीपुर में, महुरीपुर में जो गौशाला है हमारे पास ध्यान फाउंडेशन का, वहाँ पे 819 कैटल है जो स्मगलिंग होके पकड़ा गया है। अच्छा। स्मगलिंग के बाद पकड़ा गया है, ये दोनों सेंटर है। और बाबा गोरखनाथ गौशाला है जहाँ 436 है। तो ये तीनों मिला के अगर आप देखेंगे तो करीब आप 2000 के कैटल अभी हमारे पास है ऐसा जो स्मगलिंग के दौरान पकड़ा गया है।
कौन सा टीडी मतलब टाइम स्लैब ड्यूरिंग व्हिच फेज?
ये लास्ट हमने ऑलरेडी परमिशन दिया था लास्ट ईयर, सो ये विदिन 18 मंथ के करीब में 1.5 ईयर के करीब में इतना कैटल पकड़ा गया है।
And what is the from where these cattle are? This of our state or they are coming from outside?
They are coming from outside also, I mean from our state also.
এই ক্যাটল স্মাগলিং কজন কে অ্যারেস্ট করা হয়েছে?
ये तो पुलिस के द्वारा।
What type of help they get, this NGOs, this Dhyan Foundation and Baba Goraknath, because there was a categorically allegation against Dhyan Foundation, death of many cattle over there, and no one was even allowed to enter that premises.
या हेल्प हम लोग ARDD के डिपार्टमेंट के द्वारा हम लोग टेक्निकल हेल्प करते हैं, और दूसरा जो है हर साल में हम लोग मेडिसिन कुछ फीड हम लोग अवेलेबल कराते हैं, बट दे आर सेल्फ फंडेड ओनली, लार्जली दे आर सेल्फ फंडेड।
Recent, you must be aware a case that is very sensational over here. In a house, many animals were found. So, can you say what was exactly happening?
Actually, I think उनका नाम निवेदिता करके
जो पर्सनली मुझे जाना भी नहीं है।
दो लेडी के घर में कुछ डॉग्स पाए गए और कुछ एनजीओ मिलके और कुछ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मिलके वहाँ पे देखने गए थे, चेक करने गए थे कि क्या है वहाँ पे। तो कुछ इनह्यूमन वे में वो लोग जो जानवर को रखे थे, डॉग्स को और भी दूसरे एनिमल्स थे। तो वो जैसा कि हमारे टीम जाके वो चेक किए, वो टीम जो है काफी दिन से एनिमल वेलफेयर पे काम कर रहे थे, लेकिन दे आर नॉट रजिस्टर्ड विथ एनी एनजीओ, दे आर इंडिविजुअली दे आर वर्किंग, पर्सनली दे आर वर्किंग, और कोई एनजीओ नहीं था, कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नहीं था। तो जो इनह्यूमन वे में उन्हें पाया गया, पुलिस में केस आई थिंक रजिस्टर हुआ है। Police will find out the fault and they will take.
Are you helping them also? Because they have done personally, that was a great work they were doing. Because these NGOs, those who had gone, they were disposing their animal to that lady.
Yeah.
They have accepted that. Yes. There may be some other reasons. I don't know that.
So we are helping in their registration of as a NGO now.
You are helping.
Yeah, in registration.
Once a question is about because I also.
For management of stray animals on roads, the mechanism has also been very clearly laid down in the guidelines. Or guideline it has been given the responsibility at the district level to form a joint task force which consists of representatives from road department, the transport department, the NHIDCL, ARD department, local bodies, and other concerned agencies to come together and also to form a team which will survey those areas which are more prone to road accidents or where a lot of stray animals are there. And then in district wise teams have also been constituted, helpline numbers are also there. There is also a decision to establish goshalas in all the districts so that these animals can be transported to the goshalas and taken care of until they are adopted or until their death. So for this necessary veterinary support, food and other support has also been given by the ARD department also. NGOs can work in self-motivation mode, but government will also extend appropriate support to them by way of veterinary care as well as by way of subsidized feed and all that. So, so there is a lot of planning that is going on, and there is also the responsibilities have also been given to the municipal bodies to identify institutions like schools, colleges, medical colleges, railway stations, bus stops. In all these places, to have nodal officers from each institution. जैसे प्रत्येक स्कूल है एक नodal officer, And this nodal officer will be responsible of keeping the premises clean and also to avoid attraction of dogs into those premises so that children may not be affected, or in hospitals the patients are not bitten by the dogs. So these nodal officers have the responsibility to take measures so that proper watch and ward is kept, proper cleanliness is maintained, and if a dog is seen, communication has to be given to the respective task force or the groups constituted for placing the animals to appropriate shelter houses or to ABC centers or to goshalas. So these mechanisms are also being adopted in all the institutions, and budget planning is also going on in the next year for improving the whole thing. So through this press meeting, we request the press and media to take this awareness to the public regarding the Supreme Court's directions as well as the actions taken by the state, and also to make people aware how to deal with how to treat animals humanely, to improve adoption of animals, and also to contribute towards improvement and upkeep and maintenance of these animals in goshalas by way of their own public contributions, so that the government support to this program can be improved. So this is in a nutshell about it. I would request the Director also to add a few points.